Hey elites, it is Steve, and tonight I am doing another Bodyblade video for you guys. Someone commented on my first Bodyblade video and said, Steve, can you do a core version of a routine? And I said, absolutely, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you on today. If you have not seen the first Bodyblade video, it's pretty amazing. It's 13 minutes straight, and this is the Bodyblade Pro. If anybody knows about this piece of equipment, it's a humbling piece of equipment. This is the heaviest version you can get. It's just incredible. The reason why how I found this piece of equipment is I had a hockey injury, and I used like the lighter version, and I gradually built resistance up to this, and I've had no problems with anything, with shoulder, rotator cuff, nothing. I just love it. I am not, before I start, I'm not sponsored by the Bodyblade. I'm not affiliated with the Bodyblade. I'm just doing another video because I love my subscribers. So, alright, so let me show you what these moves are. So you're going to be on your knees, so get pretty comfortable. The first move is going to be extremely challenging because single arm, you want to have your hand on the middle of the Bodyblade, and we're going to go across like this until the Bodyblade is in that motion. You're going to do a sweep back and forth. Then we're going to go to the other side of the body. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a sweep, and we're going to do that for, these are all 1 minute, by the way. That's why I'm calling this the Power Core 8. How's that for a title? And then, so then what we're going to do is, now this is extremely hard. You're going to make a fist, come down, leg up, and then we're going to go like that in this direction. Then we're going to do the same thing. Fist down, come up. I'm not going to be able to look at you guys, but you get the point. I'll go in that direction. Then we're going on the floor. But we're going to do single leg. So bridge like this, but one leg out. This side, then this side, and then this one I'm not really looking forward to. Oh my god, did I just spit? I'm not looking forward to is straight down like that, and then straight down like that, and a bridge. Alright, figured out my clock, by the way. So the first Bodyblade video, we had technical difficulties with my clock, with my phone. Alright, here we go. I'm going to start this up. I'm going to get in my position. Alright, are we ready? Are we ready? Yes, I'm ready. Here we go. So, first minute, go straight across, just like that. Oh yeah, here we go. So nice and straight. And you might find when you're doing this that it might skip a little for you or jerk a little bit, and that's okay. You'll get used to the movement. It's that trying to get that blade straight by twisting your body. We're already done with 30 seconds. Like that. And the reason why I love doing, obviously I like doing both left and right because you want to be equally strong on both parts. If you're someone who plays golf or plays hockey or, you know, baseball, anything in the transverse plane, man, this movement is ideal to get down. And we're approaching the 1 minute. Bang, we're at the 1 minute this side. Oh, I just missed my lighting. Ooh, I have right here I have my lighting umbrella, and I just missed it. So if you do hear something clank, that's going to be my umbrella blowing up from the blade. Alright, doing good. Nice twist. No skips, which is good. Equal plane. Going across. Everything's fine. So this is an easy one. And then the next one is really hard because it's going to definitely try to throw your balance off, and that's what the Bodyblade's so good. Works on the principles of inertia, and the more you push and pull, it wants to push and pull you back. We're almost at the 2 minute mark. We're doing good. Doing it and doing it and doing it well for YouTube. I'm going to go right across, one more quick sweep to hit it. Alright, then we're going to come down, this arm straight up. Here we go. Straight up, leg out. This one's a hard one. This one's definitely not easy. You're going to feel this in your hip flexors and in your core. We're working multifidus muscles of the spine. We're working the internal obliques, transverse, rectus abdominis, and rectus abdominis. Oh wow. Doing well. So yeah, first video on Bodyblades. My first video that's hit over 3,000 views and got a lot of thumbs up on that. I love talking to people on YouTube. That's why I do this. We're at 50 seconds. I'm already feeling the burn. I can't wait to switch over. Come on, come on, come on. And switch. Alright, so this is where I'm going to be kind of rude. I apologize. Can't look at you guys, but you get the point. This is where it really starts to burn now. So I'm going to try to focus here. But you'll definitely feel this in your rotator cuff. And if you're someone who has an injury or coming off from an injury with your rotator cuff, after you finish PT, I highly recommend you getting one of these. Start off with the lighter version and then go to the Pro. Oh wow, I'm in trouble. It's only been 40 seconds. Oh yeah. Can't wait to turn around and get on the floor. Oh my gosh. 10 seconds. Come on Steve, you can do it. Go, 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 go. Oh yeah, switching up on the floor. Up. Just leg up. I'm gonna come down. How's that for a switch? Pretty good? Oh my god, I just snorted. So now floor. So yeah, I can see the clock. That's pretty good. I thought I was gonna have to hold my my phone. So how's your day? Halfway through, you're gonna find that your glutes are gonna absolutely burn when you're in this position, and you just gotta keep on going. So that's another good thing to work the Bodyblade, because it's just working so many muscles to stay up off the floor. And I got to power through this. And switch, leg up. All right. Yeah, so once you get this down, you can really start messing around with different movements, and that's what I did basically for the week to come up with a routine. Now I can't really look at the clock on this side because I really have to focus on this side with the blade without it stalling. So that's the thing, is you don't focus, you'll lose the momentum of the blade, and it'll like stutter. Alright, doing good. Doing good. We're going to come up to a full bridge in 1 second. Almost there. Alright, full bridge. Alright, just straight up and down. If your rotator cuff's not burning by now, then you definitely have this piece of equipment done. I mean down. So just straight up and down. Right in the core. Oh no. I'm only at 30. Are you kidding me? Here we go. So I like keeping my hand here instead of bracing here, because that's easier when you brace on the floor. Oh my! Oh, I'm in trouble. Come on, Steve. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, the straight up and down is so difficult. Oh, why did I put this in the video? Yes, next side. Oh. All right. Straight up on the bridge still. We're going for it. We're going for it. Yeah, see, if I don't focus on this side, I stutter a little bit, and that's just trying to get this arm as coordinated, because I'm left-handed, on the right side. Oh, no! I have over 30 seconds left. Oh, my goodness. Up and down is so hard in this position. I'm just going to pretend in my quiet place. I'm in my quiet place right now. Where am I? I'm on the ice. Just chilling out. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I can do it. Oh, I'm going to go over the time so you can see it. Oh, yes. 8 minutes. Hope you can see that. Woo! Wow, that was pretty good. So, anyways, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting my channel. Thank you for the new subscribers. If you want to be a part of my success, I do these videos for free for you guys. There's no money in the YouTube thing. It's just I post twice a week just because I love doing this. So if you want to be a part of my success and get me to 1,000 subscribers, that'll be pretty amazing. I hope you like this video. Smash like if you like it. And by the way, if you are following me, make sure you turn on the bell so you know when I release a video. I do Tip Tuesdays, and then I record on Sundays. This is Elite Fitness Steve. Take care and peace.